That was an amazing morning. I hiked back across the peninsula to walk the beaches because I saw so many wolf tracks yesterday. I was hoping to see a wolf today, and I was lucky and I spotted one far down the beach. It was so beautiful. It was a female wolf because she squatted and peed at one point, but it was a female wolf, and she ran the entire length, a couple miles of this beach, and it was just amazing. And she was actually coming in my direction, so I got on foot a pretty good close view of her as well. And she kind of did a half circle. She went by and kind of down towards the water, kind of looked at me, and then kind of continued on her way and up into the forest and over the headland. And I hustled to make it around the headland, and I saw her going down the beach the other way. That was so cool. Just such an amazing sighting. She was like a brown and grayish wolf. Oof. A little skinny, but man, it was cool. I said this in one of my previous videos when I saw a group of 3 wolves with a buddy kayaking here on Vancouver Island, is that when you see a wolf, it imprints on you. And now it's like I'm looking at all this beautiful scenery, and there's like this phantom image of this wolf trekking down this beach. So it's like this translucent image over image, if that makes sense. I'm just seeing wolf everywhere I look, even though I'm looking at other things. It's just so cool. You know, they're a symbol of the absolute utmost pure wilderness we have. And they are a necessary part of the ecosystem. They have their place, you know? So I just love them. Yeah, so everywhere I look right now, with wolves so freshly imprinted into my mind and my spirit, everywhere I look right now, I see this ghost image of wolf. I'm looking at the scenery, but I'm also seeing wolf. They're overlapping images, and wolf is more ghost-like or spirit-like in my vision field right now as I paddle along and enjoy the beauty of the physical world, you know? And be sure to hang out to the end of this video for another outrageous wolf encounter. And it's low tide, so kind of looking around for bear too, and other wolves, because it's the perfect opportunity for them to be down eating in the intertidal zone. I'm currently heading out to the Mission Islands on the west side of Vancouver Island. The kayak sliced through the water, a blade carving the mirrored skin of the sea. The air was thick with salt and the hum of something ancient, the voice of the tide, the breath of the sky, and the quiet eternal pulse that has never ceased. With every stroke of my paddle, the entire natural world speaks. The waves lift me as if greeting an old friend, and the waves pull back just enough to reveal their secrets of the kelp forest stretching below and the darting of silver of hidden lives beneath the surface. And in that moment, I knew I was not here to conquer anything. I'm here to intimately learn its ways, to grow this relationship together, and to remember it home into the ancient marrow of my bones. This is where I belong, not reaching, not grasping, but returning home to myself, here in this wild coastal land. The waters reach up to my paddle blades and lift me higher. The ocean does not ask for proof. It does not probe with questions or demand instant answers. It waits patiently, knowing and waiting for me to remember all of this, all that is. As I dip my paddle blades into the salty water, somewhere deep inside the fire in my own bones, I know this rhythm in space and time. My breath knows the pulse of these lands, and my heart remembers this dance. The waves do not carry me forward, they welcome me back home. The wind does not resist, it reminds me. The sky does not separate itself, it opens its heart wide open. The water, the wind, and the sky, they were never waiting to be taken by anyone. They were only ever waiting for my return. but a view out to the open ocean this morning. Beautiful. And there is the mainland of Vancouver Island. Weather's changing on us, guys. I had to do a quick transition into rain gear on the water here just a moment ago. But now I feel all cinched up, snug and dry. And you know, I'm cozy and dry in my boat, so rainy days on the water can be pretty nice too, if you're dry and warm and you know how to stay that way. So I'm just gonna pause and take a break and eat a little peanut butter. Some quick food. I packed up camp kind of quick this morning, wanting to get an early start with before the weather, before any wind came in and so forth. Make use of the calm water. So I had some quick snacks for in the seat of the kayak. Peanut butter. It's great. The mountains are looking more misty rain now. there in their little store that I wanted for a treat after the wilderness. I was like, I got food, I'll just eat mine. And no special beverages or anything. So if you want anything at the end of the road at Fair Harbor, take it yourself, which is pretty important to do anyways. Be prepared, right? Bring what you need. But they do have hot showers, and it was amazing. Oh my God, I showered, I shaved, I scrubbed my feet. It was amazing. These videos are all about no compromising and thriving in spirit. There are so many things in life we have to compromise on. Our coordinations with work and projects and so forth, but there should never be any compromising and thriving in your own internal spirit. Body, mind, heart, and spirit. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and comment. And if you don't know what to say, please throw out an emoji, your favorite emoji of any sort, and let me know how you're doing. I love to have these dialogues, and I love to know that you're here with me, hanging out through the videos. So thank you for all your support. I appreciate you.